as you step through the boy becomes a man, the girl becomes a woman. Your immaturity ends. Your destiny as a mariner begins. Let this small candlelight be the spark that explodes your career into greatness. Sail bravely and make their sacrifices worth it. Cadets, stand up. Right face, look into your parents and your loved ones. And repeat after me. Nay, Tay, Ina, Ama. Papa, Mama. Mommy and Daddy. Lola and Lolo. Ate and Kuya. Your watch is over. I'm taking over the watch. I request all the faculty to please share the candlelights to our students. And cadets, we have prepared a serenade for your parents and your loved ones.